I am in love. Soft glam. This is the particular one. Like, if I'm going for an event and I want to drop dead bodies, this is the particular look. This color is a winner. I didn't know it, but you guys, this color is a winner. It's almost like, see me, bitch. Look at me, guy. Hi. I'm here. You can see me. It's bold, is this is everything. This is everything. I love this particular one also. Yeah. So it is in 612. 612. It's in 612. Oh my god. So this is it. I don't know why. I don't know why I can't say it, but it is in 612. It is really good. This looks like mud to me, but let's see how it works on my face, because I don't know.
Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oma Speak. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, not necessarily a tutorial per se, but I recently got some product on Alixpress, so I'll be showing you what they look like. They are actually 7 lip stains in matte that I got from Alixpress, and I felt they were really good, and I knew that it was something that you will definitely want to see. So let's do this together, okay? Yeah, so before we start, or before we show you, or before I show you what the looks practically are, I want to just set my face and just give myself like a very natural, my type of makeup, just to prepare the look, so that when the lip stains sit on my lips, you can just see the full look on how it looks. This is a disclaimer, however, I am not a makeup artist, so don't hold me to any standards whatsoever. It is just me doing my regular makeup at home, or when I want to go out for events or to hang out with friends. This is just what I do on my face. I'm not really necessarily big on makeup, but if I definitely want to go out, this is what I do. So I will definitely want to hear or see what you guys rate me concerning my makeup look. I hope you guys rate me high. But at this moment I'm just basically laying my foundation. For this one I'm going to be doing 2 bases, so after applying the first one I did the second one because I'm extra like that, Yeah, so after applying my foundation, I'm just going in with my Fit Me concealer, highlighter. I believe it's a highlighter. See me trouble. So I'm going to be entering my highlighter just to get myself ready for my facial contour. Like I said earlier, please don't hold me towards any standards. I am not a makeup artist, but I do a very good makeup look for my particular face. So yeah, so I'll definitely want to see what you guys final judgment is about. But I think I did good. I don't think I really did. I don't think I did anything really bad. I think I was fair in my look. My look was fair. What do you guys think? So I'm just getting everything ready. After this I will put my setting powder, then hit my eyes, then after that then we hit my lips, so that you guys can fully see just how well this particular matte sets look like. So before we go to the video before we go to where I actually start applying the lip stains, I want to just say that I saw the ads on AliExpress, and I felt that the looks were really good. The mattes were sitting really closely, perfectly well on the lips, and The thing again was that they were really, really cheap. They came really, really cheap, and I was like, you know, what the hell? What would it matter if I bought it and it wasn't that bad? Let me just see how it will be, and whatever conclusion I would get concerning what I bought, would be my own personal take on it. So concerning my brows, I already have microblades done, so all I have to do is basically just to fill my brows. I have not really had a good hand when it actually came to my brows, so having microblades done was practically like a miracle for me, because you know what they say, when your brows are done, your look just falls in place. You can have like the perfect beat, but if your eyebrows are whack, your look will definitely be whack. So microblades for me is a lifesaver. So yeah.
So time for my eyes. Yeah, I'm good to go. So all I have to do is just to blend this out. Blend out. So I have all of these colors, and they're so similar. And they're so similar. Look at all of these colors, they're so similar. I don't even know how to separate them. I have no idea. I don't know how I'm going to separate these colors. So they range from, so this is a quick color. Let me see if I can, so you can see the colors right on the screen. Jesus. So I will literally be showing you all of the colors if I'm using it. So this is, and I think I particularly love this color more. It's soft matte lip cream in 627. This is 627. See. Anyways, it's 627. I don't know why the focus is crazy. Anyway, so let's see how it goes. That's nice. Just quickly. On this. Because we really do liners when you're working with give you a lip form and everything. So So this is Soft Glam in 627. Now with 627, I would say it looks better on the screen than actually in real life in my face. I just don't know. I'm not really I don't know how I feel about this particular shade. It's matte, alright. It's good, it's beautiful. Let's have a closer look to just see how it looks on my face. So yes. Yes, I am in love. Soft Glam. This is the particular one, like if I'm going for an event and I want to stop drop dead bodies, this is the particular look. This color is a winner. I don't know, but you guys, this color is a winner. It's almost like, see me, bitch. Look at me, guy. Hi, you know, I'm here. You can see me. It's bold, is this is everything. This is everything. I love this particular one also. Yeah. So it is in 612. 612. It's in 612. Oh my god. So this is a I don't know why I can't say it, but it is in 612. It is really good. Now let's do the next one. The one is also good. I like how really red it is. It's really good. I love it too, but I think my favorite still remains the 612. This 613 seems like something I normally wear every other day because I'm really a red person. I love to wear red lippies. And yeah, so it's just practically what I would wear on a normal day. It's not, I know it looks good, but it's not like amazing for me because it's a color or a look that I'm really used to, if you know what I mean. So no, I'm not excited about this one as I was about the first one, but I think it's good. I think it works. I think it's nice. What do you think, guys? Yay or yay? I think it's a yes for me. It's a good yes. It's a good look. It's a good. I think it's nice. I love it. This looks like mud to me, but let's see how it works on my face because I don't know. It's a new look. I think depending on the day and depending on the outfit, the look might actually work. So yes, it's a yes from me. I haven't used this color before and I think it looks perfect on my face. I think it does work. It works perfect for my face. What do you guys think? Because I think it has a subtle, really welcoming. Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah, I think it works. And smell is just beautiful. So this will work well with a really brown, muddy kind of look that I'm looking for. It's just nice. It's perfect. I love it. I think I'm just liking things that I haven't tried before or colors that I haven't tried before that I'm just noticing that actually works well for my skin. It's lovely. It's not my look, but it's nice. I think it's nice. It's not my look, but it's nice. It's not my look. I like this one already. This is a look I can work with. Now for the final one. Hello. Hi. So yes, guys, this is the final look. This is the final color. This is for 602. I'll say all of the colors are really nice. I've actually enjoyed my time filming all of this. All of these colors are beautiful, they're nice, they're bold, they're daring. Like I said earlier on, my favorite is this particular one. Maybe my everyday look might be this one, but all in all the colors are extremely bold, they're beautiful, and they're definitely daring. So let me know what you think about this video. You can leave a comment down below and tell me for watching. Bye.